What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video review, feedback on some of this fuel line that I just bought and used. It's the Wet-to-Nex fuel line. It's 1/8 inch inner diameter. Really good stuff. I've been really happy with it. It's the, so you've got 3.5/7.5. That's going to be like your closest millimeter. So 1/8 inch to millimeters is like 3.17 millimeters. So I think they just rounded up. You have a little bit of leeway. What you got is MBR and PVC mix, I believe, on the inside, and then the CSM. You can look that up, what it stands for, but that's the outer sheath, I believe. And this stuff is for the deal for 10 feet or whatever you get for like $8 or $10. Like, it's a solid deal, and it's good stuff. I wouldn't hesitate to use this at all. You know, I can't really pinch it. You know, it's really solid. Like, it takes a lot to get this to pinch. You know, it's super nice and supple, flexible. You can make some crazy bends if you need to. I personally use this for some vacuum lines on the 4Runner here. So like, here's one here, and all my little like 4 millimeter metric runs, I just use this 1/8 inch gas line, and it's been perfect. You know, here are some like little 90-degree bends on the vapor canister here. Like, it just worked out perfectly. And because it's NBR, you know it's going to be resistant to any oil or gas mist. It's good peace of mind. It's a good replacement for the OEM. Like, this will outlast the car at this point. I just wanted to give my feedback on that, and for anybody who's looking at it or is looking for, like, you know, small engine, small equipment, fuel line, or if you're looking for this size vacuum line, like, don't hesitate. Just get it, and then you'll have a ton of extra. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See ya.